Hello everyone, today we are going to learn that how you can copy your own YouTube channel URL link or URL code. So for that you have to open your browser, as I am using the Google Chrome as my favorite browser. So I'll just simply open it and I will click on this YouTube button. So the YouTube is opening. First of all, you have to check or you have to click on this righter corner on your own channel icon, as I'm clicking. So you will see this fourth option, which is YouTube Studio. You have to click it. As I click it, so this page appears, and from here you will witness at the left side there will be option of customization. See, this is the one. You just simply click it and you have to scroll down. Let me zoom it out for you. So see, there is a link visible. This is the channel URL. In easy words, you can see it. You have to just simply click on this double paged icon, which is looking like a double page, which is normally a copying option icon. So you have to click it and simply the link is copied.